So this is our climb. Let's go.
Welcome back to part 2 of our journey through Rocky Valley. In the first half, we followed the windy trails and explored the lush greenery. Now we are breaking out of the deep canyon and climbing up onto the dramatic windswept cliffs. We will follow the rugged southwest coast path, taking in spectacular ocean views as we hike our way up towards the beautiful beach at Bosany Cove. Let's head out and finish this adventure.
And of course, as you get higher and higher, the view gets better and better. Now here's something I didn't know. I didn't know there was a caravan park up there. Whoa. I don't think I've been here at this time of year, so it's full up. And what? This is their view. Look at that. You can't get any better than that. I'm gonna zoom in. It's just full up there. Ooh. Even though I'm not too far away, I'm gonna have to come camping there in my tent when it's a bit cooler days. I know it's not expensive either. It's pretty good. So, right, let's crack on. So we're nearly here. We've climbed all of that. And now for our views. Had lunch up here once, right down here. I packed up a lunch and sat here. So we came from down there. There's the falls down there. It's quite a big campsite up there. Anyways. Spectacular, isn't it? The sea mist coming in. Let's zoom in so you can see a bit better. Oh, I'd love to be able to slip around there on a day like today, but getting there. So are you loving it? I'm sure you are. Just another area to visit here in Cornwall. Free entertainment. Beautiful. Two seagulls there playing, enjoying themselves. It's probably going to come around here. Oh yeah, there. There we go. There's one of them anyway. He's decided he didn't want to play anymore. That's the campground, caravan site there on the headland that we saw earlier. So quite a few people there. Gorgeous spot. And right on the edge looking down here. And access right at the West Coast Path. So that will be another walk. Nature's web there. It's quite the web. I don't know what it is, but something about spider webs really fascinate me. There's loads of them along here. Have a peek at that beach. So this part of the walk is just very nice and simple. I think everybody decided to come on an afternoon walk. I thought I was by myself. There's loads of people now. See? Wow, that's not loads, but I've passed quite a few people so far. Everyone's enjoying the beautiful scenery. The beach behind me. And rugged cliff. And I took a few pictures of that guy up there too. Couldn't resist. As you can see, the walk starts getting a lot more easier. So we're at a nice open field. And another camping area there. Now that one there, I believe it's a park up. I believe that's the one. Unless that's not the Bosony Cove one, it might be. If it is, as far as I know, it's like £5 a night for a park up. There's no amenities, of course, but still, you got this. What more could you ask for? Even if you only stayed a night. I don't think I'd only want to stay one night, but still. And then get yourself down to that beach if you can figure out how to get down there. So I'm going to be taking this top trail here and continuing on. But there's a lower trail I see just down there. Maybe that goes, I don't know, because when I looked at from the other side, it looks quite steep. I'm thinking, I'm not really sure how, I'm thinking the way to get from the car park is on the other side, like that part there. Because see, as you can see, this part is way too steep, so I don't know. That's another video. I should just focus on this one right now. I'm getting too sidetracked again as usual, but just makes me excited about thinking about my next adventure and getting down there. And let's hope it's still nice and calm, perfect for a swim, because I don't want to be bringing a bodyboard down there. That's more swimming for me down there. Anywhere that I have to trek quite far, I'd rather just go swimming. I mean, the bodyboard doesn't weigh very much anyway, but still, it's just kind of nice. I've only been bodyboarding a couple times so far this year, but then again, we haven't had many waves lately. It's just been so perfect for swimming, which is fine by me. Here we are on the other side now. This is a nice walk for an afternoon stroll. And we are above the beach now. Well, one of the beaches anyway, with loads of seagulls doing their business out there. So there.
This little hidden gem tucked right beneath the coastal path from Tintagel to Boscastle is called Bosony Haven. Just below these 300-foot slate cliffs, Bosony feels like a world of its own. But here's the most important thing to know before visiting. It's completely tidal. At high tide, the sea swallows the entire inlet. but if you time it right at low water, the ocean retreats to reveal a wide expansion of golden sand that connects Bosny directly to the neighboring Beanoth Cove. If you're sticking to the cliff tops, the Southwest Coast Path route from here is stunning. Head west for a mile, as we are now, and you'll reach Tintagel. A quick safety tip for anyone planning a visit: check your tide times carefully so you don't get cut off by the incoming water. The currents here can be strong, so keep an eye on water conditions.
Right, I believe we're over the other beach, Bosny Cove. Although I can't get close enough to the edge to give you any views. A little bit there, but not enough. So we won't be going along this area here. We're going to be heading inland now, back up to, you can see the tower there. That's where the car park is. We can maybe get a shot of that beach down below. Yeah, it's just down here. And I'm wondering if that might be part of the trail. I don't know. Like I said, the path for it. And no, I don't think so. You can't see it very well from here. But anyways, like I said, it'll be another time. I'm gonna walk. I don't know, do I dare walk through this grass? There is a path. I just don't want to get bitten again. Call me a wimp, but I'm gonna go. I'm gonna chance it. Yeah, so we'll do that another time. I'm gonna turn the camera around just so you can see where we're going. So if I just come up here and up to the tower, that is where the Bosny car park is. So it's easy to distinguish if you're out on a walk, you know, when you come back, look for that thing. If you started up there, that is, but it kind of still gives you an idea of where. So we're nearly at the car park and the Bosny camping park up. So it's quite big actually, it's not bad. I thought it was a lot smaller than that, but that's quite big. So assuming good mobile connection here, if that's what the thing's for, I don't know. There you go. And here we are at the little Bosny car park. I'm out of breath. And next door is the caravan camping park. Okay, I was wrong about that. Although, well, I'm talking about the camping, that is. So the car park here is 3 pounds all day. And the campground is 15 pounds. As opposed to, someone had told me it was £5, but I think they came like in the autumn, so I think they were the only one on the pitch. So that's probably why. Obviously makes sense, because £5 at this time of the year is that's too cheap. you know, you'd almost want to give them extra for that price. But still, I mean, £15 for the night, that's great, especially with, you know, if you love a lot of walking and the views and the walk down to that beach. Absolutely wonderful. So yeah, so I'm heading back down. Behind me, as you can see, I've parked down there, and that's where the start of our trail was, through Rocky Valley and to the falls and the labyrinth. And yeah, so that's the circular. Again, I could have headed on, kept going in the same direction further and get into Tintagel. This road that I'm standing on right now, I can walk into Tintagel that way as well too. A lot more quicker and an easier trek, but I'm going back to my car now and ending the walk for today. So I really hope you enjoyed that walk. It's stunning views. I just love it there. I'd probably go down maybe about once a year. Yeah, it's just nice. Even you know, if you don't want to go up to the headlands and do that climb, just in the valley there, and then just picking somewhere for a picnic or whatever, or just some quiet time is just beautiful and lovely. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or evening, or you know, wherever you are, and I'll see you again next time on my next adventure. And who knows, maybe it might be that beach down the cove there. Maybe it'll be that beach. I don't know yet. We'll see. Who knows? You never know where you're going to find me or where I go. Anyways, take care and have a wonderful, wonderful week. Bye now, and thanks for watching.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to continue watching more of my adventures to come. Bye for now.